Boosting your productivity in the age of artificial intelligence isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. With AI tools becoming more accessible and powerful, anyone can harness their potential to streamline daily tasks, spark creativity, and achieve more in less time. In this guide, we'll explore 5 transformative AI hacks that can elevate your workflow, help you conquer your to-do list, and ultimately, reclaim precious hours of your day. Let's begin with the first AI hack: mastering the art of intelligent automation. Traditional productivity methods involve repetitive manual tasks. Think data entry, scheduling, or sorting through emails. These tasks, while necessary, can consume countless hours each week. Enter AI-powered automation tools. Platforms like Zapier, Make, or even built-in features within your email client can connect different apps and automate routine workflows. For example, you can set up an automation that saves every email attachment you receive directly to a specific folder in your cloud storage, or automatically adds meeting details to your calendar. AI takes this a step further by learning from your actions and suggesting automations you may not have considered. By delegating repetitive tasks to AI, you free up mental bandwidth, reduce errors, and gain more time to focus on high-impact work that truly matters. The second AI hack revolves around supercharging your writing and communication. Whether you're crafting emails, reports, social media posts, or even brainstorming ideas, AI writing assistants like ChatGPT, Grammarly, or Jasper can become invaluable partners. These tools do more than just check your grammar. They suggest alternative phrasing, help you structure your thoughts, and offer creative inspiration when you're stuck. Imagine having an editor and brainstorming partner available 24/7, ready to help you articulate your ideas clearly and persuasively. AI can also summarize lengthy documents, extract key points, or even translate your writing into different languages with impressive accuracy. By integrating these AI tools into your daily routine, you can communicate more effectively, save time editing, and ensure your message lands just the way you intend. Our third AI hack is all about mastering your schedule with smart planning tools. Time management is at the heart of productivity, yet traditional calendars and task lists often fall short. AI-driven planners like Motion or Sunsama analyze your workload, deadlines, and even your personal working habits to optimize your day. These platforms can automatically prioritize your tasks, rearrange your calendar based on shifting priorities, and ensure you're always working on what matters most. Some even offer gentle nudges when you're at risk of missing a deadline, or suggest optimal times for focused work versus meetings. By outsourcing the cognitive load of planning to AI, you reduce decision fatigue and maintain a sharper focus throughout the day. Plus, with predictive analytics, these tools can help you anticipate bottlenecks before they arise, allowing you to stay one step ahead. The fourth AI hack is leveraging smart search and knowledge management. In the digital age, information overload is a real challenge. Finding the right document, email, or snippet of information can easily eat up valuable time. AI-powered search tools, such as Notion AI or Microsoft Copilot, revolutionize the way you access and organize knowledge. Instead of scrolling endlessly through folders or message threads, you can ask your AI assistant to surface exactly what you need, whether it's a contract from last year, a specific statistic, or a meeting summary. These tools use natural language processing to understand your queries contextually, delivering more relevant results than traditional keyword searches. Some even proactively suggest information you might need for upcoming meetings or projects. By turning AI into your personal research assistant, you minimize distractions, reduce time spent searching, and keep your focus on productive work. The fifth and final AI hack is embracing personalized learning and growth. Staying ahead in your career and life means continuously learning new skills, but finding the time and motivation can be a challenge. AI-driven learning platforms such as Duolingo, Coursera, or Khan Academy use adaptive algorithms to tailor lessons to your unique pace, interests, and skill level. These platforms analyze your performance in real time, identifying areas where you need more practice and adjusting the curriculum accordingly. Some offer bite-sized lessons that fit into your schedule, while others can generate practice quizzes, flashcards, or even simulate real-life scenarios to help you master new concepts quickly. AI can also recommend articles, podcasts, or videos based on your learning goals, ensuring that every minute you spend is maximally productive. By integrating AI-powered micro-learning into your routine, you not only stay ahead of the curve, but also develop a habit of continuous improvement that compounds over time. Now, let's take a step back and consider how these 5 AI hacks can work together to create a productivity system that's greater than the sum of its parts. Imagine starting your day with an AI-powered planner that's already mapped out your top priorities and scheduled deep work sessions based on your energy levels. As you dive into your tasks, your writing assistant helps you draft clear, impactful messages in record time, while smart search tools ensure you always have the right information at your fingertips. Meanwhile, automated workflows quietly take care of the repetitive details in the background, and your personalized learning app fits in a new skill during your lunch break. This is the future of productivity, a seamless collaboration between human creativity and AI intelligence. Of course, while AI can be a powerful ally, it's important to use these tools mindfully. Start by identifying your biggest productivity pain points, whether it's managing your inbox, keeping track of deadlines, or finding time for learning. Experiment with different AI tools, and don't be afraid to iterate on your system as you discover what works best for you. Remember, the goal is not to replace your unique talents and judgment, but to augment them, letting AI handle the mundane so you can focus on the meaningful.
It's also worth noting that with the rise of AI, digital skills are becoming more important than ever. Take the time to learn the basics of prompt engineering, how to ask AI tools the right questions to get the best results. Stay curious about new features and integrations as the AI landscape is evolving rapidly, often unlocking new opportunities for efficiency and growth. In summary, boosting your productivity with AI is about leveraging technology to reclaim your time, reduce stress, and empower yourself to achieve more. By automating routine tasks, enhancing your writing, optimizing your schedule, mastering information management, and embracing personalized learning, you're not just keeping up with the pace of change, you're setting yourself up to thrive in the digital age. The future of productivity is here. And with these 5 AI hacks, you're ready to make the most of it. Subscribe for more videos like these on Rise Theory.